Hello everyone, this is Erin with the Recruitment Team. The Dragon Boat Festival is coming. It falls on June 14th this year. And you know what? Dragon boat racing is the most important activity during the Dragon Boat Festival. The wooden boats are shaped and decorated in the form of a Chinese dragon. During the races, Dragon Boat teams paddle in unison as fast as they can against other teams, accompanied by the sound of beating drums. We believe that the winning team will have the best luck and a happy life in the following year. In terms of food, Zòngzi is the most traditional Dragon Boat Festival food. They are a kind of sticky rice dumpling made of glutinous rice with meat, beans, and other fillings. But today, I'll show you a special kind of zongzi, which is also called tapioca pearl dumplings. It's simple, easy to make, and also a good snack for hot summer. So let's go! First, let me introduce you the ingredients. This is tapioca pearls, some sugar, oil, water, cotton thread, red bean paste, and some bamboo leaves. First, let's make some preparations. Add 2 spoons of oil and 3 tablespoons of sugar into the tapioca pearls and mix them properly. Then add 150 grams of water for several times and give it a good stir. Then put them aside. Next, we need to prepare our bamboo leaves by cutting the top and the bottom ½ inch off. Then brush it with some oil. Put the pointy ends up facing each other and kind of roll it into the cone. Then you're gonna have 2 of the leaves kind of sticking upwards. Take a small spoonful of the tapioca pearls and put it in the bottom of the cone and lightly kind of pack it in. Next, we're gonna place our filling, red bean paste, and then cover it again with some more tapioca pearl. Now carefully fold the sides into the middle, then the top over, and finally a triangle shape is made. Wrap the zongzi with cotton thread and tie a tight knot. Now we are ready to cook. Put them into the boiling water and cook these for 1.5 hours. After that, let them sit there for another 30 minutes. Now let's go ahead and taste these. Wow, look at these! The tapioca pearl is sticky and chewy but not mushy. And the red bean paste, it tastes like dessert, fresh and sweet. This is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What else would you want to see? Please leave us your comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!